Hello viewers, I welcome you all to Globe Investment. In this channel, you'll be getting free trade calls, and in this video, I'm going to give a buy call on L&T stock. Okay, so before going to discuss regarding today's stock, I would like to discuss regarding the previous trading calls I have given, whose targets got achieved. Now, firstly, we'll go to the Excel sheet. So those who are newcomers to my channel, I would like to just say regarding this one. So this is an Excel sheet where you will be having the record of all the trading calls which I have given till now with the perfect date of all the date, including the stock name which I have given with the time frame and the buy price which I have given and the target which they have achieved on the particular days. Okay, so you can verify these in your respective trading platforms, and these are the percentage returns which you got based upon my trading calls, friends. Okay, so firstly, I would like to discuss regarding the L&T stock which achieved all the three targets. Okay, so I have given the buy call for this stock on 10th of this month with a time frame of 10 to 15 days with a buying price of 1380 with a T1 of 1400 with a T2 of 1431 with a T3 of 1450. Already previously by 19th of this month it achieved the second target, and by today it achieved the third target also, giving us a percentage return of 5.07%. That means we achieved this target in 8 days. See, like when I'm mentioning the targeting days, like on how many days we have achieved, I will be counting just the working days, not the non-working days. As you all know that Monday to Friday and excluding the national holidays is the working like hours days of that like stock market. So we'll be counting only those. So now coming back to the topic, so the person who invested 5,000 rupees, since we are getting a return of 5.07 percentage, he or she will be getting a profit of 253 rupees. The person who invested 10,000 rupees, they'll be getting a return of 507 rupees. The person who invested 1 lakh rupees, they'll be getting a return of 5,070 rupees. The person who invested 2 lakh rupees, they'll be getting a return of 10,140 rupees, friends, and this in 8 days itself. Okay. So also the other stocks, they haven't achieved the second target, like the third target, but they have achieved the first or the second targets. We'll discuss regarding those also. So among those, the first one is BEL stock. So I have given the buy call. Okay, firstly I'll show the, I forgot, I'll just show the target which achieve this one in the market platform also. So this is a L&T stock. So today this is the 24th date, you can see here. So today it went till 1458. So today it went till 1458 till here, and again it fell down. So the target which I given was 1450. So that means it crossed my target and went till up. So this is a verification for you all. And next which I was saying was Bell. So I have given the buy call for this stock on 20 of this month with a time frame of 15 to 20 days. You need to buy this one at 157 and the first target of 160. So I'll show that one also here in the market platform. So if you see the Bell, that's Bharat Electronics. So today it went till 160. It exactly went till the first target which I have given, and then it fell down. So don't worry, those like normally I'll be saying this one each and every time, that safe traders should book their profits either in T1 or T2 itself, so that they'll be getting the returns safely. And if you want more profits, then you need to wait for a bit long time in order to achieve these T3 targets. So in the time, like up and downs in the market will be happening, you just don't need to worry about those. Okay, so this one is over, the Bell stock, and the next one is Inox. Where it is, yeah, if you see here, Inox, I have given the buy call for the stock on 24th of last month with a time from 1 month with a buying price of 270. So on today it achieved the like second target of 302, giving us a percentage return of 11.85 percentage. Okay, it's like very big. Like when it comes to third target, it becomes one of the jackpot stocks. Okay, and the next one is SpiceJet, which I have given the buy call for this stock on 24th with a time frame of 5 to 6 months with a buying price of 61. Previously on 11th of this month it achieved the first target, and today it attained the second target of 80, giving us a percentage return of 31.14 percentage, friends. Okay, so it's, I think till now among the trading calls which I have given, this is going to be the like like the very good jackpot stock, because once it's going to attain this third target, we are going to get a percentage return of 66 percentage. I think if my calculation is not wrong, I'll around, it's like, okay, above more than 60% of return we are going to get. So when it gets like achieves the third target, then I'll be calculating third percentage and I'll be mentioning it here. Now I'll show these two stocks in the market platform also. So firstly I'll show regarding the SpiceJet. So if you can see the SpiceJet, it went till 82.15. That means it crossed the my target and also going on in order to reach the third target, friends. And the next one is Inox share. So Inox Leisure. So if you can see here, today it went till 302.55. Okay, that's where it went till 302.55, and then it came down, and it's increasing here. That means it crossed it like the second target which I have given, that is 302, friends. Soon it's also going to cross the 311 target also. Okay, so I hope you all are getting my accuracy. By this you will be understanding the accuracy of my trading calls. So it's up to you whether you want to follow my trading calls or not, friends. So you can see these are all the percentage returns which you got till now. So now going back to today's buy call stock. So that is L&T. Today itself it like achieved the three targets which I mentioned earlier on 10th of this month. But again I am increasing the target for this stock, giving us as a buy call today with a time frame of 20 to 25 days with a buying price of 1440. You need to get this stock around this price with a T1 of 1480, with a T2 of 1533, and with a T3 of 1595, friends. Now I will show the technical analysis of this particular stock, LT stock. So if you can see here, the vertex here, the green line is above the red line, which gives us one buy signal, and the RSI here, the value is more than 60, that is 61.25. This also gives one more buy signal, and the MACD, the black line, is above the red line. This gives one more buy signal. And if you can see that this line, this ADX, normally it gives a trend for us, and it's slightly increasing, like it's giving an upward trend. And next, if you see, the Bollinger Bands are expanding here, and the candles are also near the upper band side itself, giving us one more buy signal. And if you can see, this sky blue color line is above this black color line, that gives one more buy signal, and this dark blue color line is above this red color line, this gives one more buy signal. And in order to satisfy Ichimoku, we need to see three conditions. One is whether the candles are above the cloud or not. Here see, the candles are, this is the cloud, and these candles are above the cloud itself. And also the super trend, see the super trend, this is called the super trend line, is in green color. So one more condition got satisfied. And the another thing is whether this gray color line is above the candles or not. So if you can see here properly, it's above the candles only. So this also gives satisfies the third condition. That means all the three conditions in the Ichimoku thing got satisfied. So perfectly we are getting more than 5 buy signals. So this is a perfect buy call stock. So those who does not have knowledge regarding these stocks, they don't need to mind, friends. They can just follow the trading calls I have given here. So so if you please like the video and subscribe and share to your friends and family members, friends. Okay, bye bye, meet you all in the next video. And before going to that, if you have any doubt regarding any stock, they can mention in the comment section. I'll be seeing the technical charts and I'll be replying back there itself, friends. Meet you in the next video.